We bought Kejstral in October 2015 and we really don't have any experience on how to sail. No, really. We kid you not.
We sat on the boat for about 3 hours in October once we bought it and had a glass of wine.
But we did go out with some friends.
We did, yeah.
We did.
We've been on a sailboat. We've been on a sailboat once or twice.
We have.
However.
Yes. Yeah. We did have a boat before. We had a small motorboat, of which it was only about a 7-metre boat. We've had that for 3 years. It's sold now, so we've not had no experience whatsoever. We've had a little bit.
But we did actually sail or travel quite far on that motorboat, didn't we? We went over to Greece, sailed around the Turkish coastline and Greece. Had a whale of a time.
How many Greek islands have we been to?
14, I think.
So we have done quite a lot. So we've had a little bit of experience, but sailing-wise, no. It will be a learning curve, and I hope you'll join us and learn with us, basically.
A week after arriving back in Turkey, we travelled down to Orhanya near Marmaris to do our training course for 5 days. The course was taken by a guy called Jeanneau who was the only guy in Turkey to actually circumnavigate the world 2.5 times. Brilliant guy. During the day he had us working our socks off, putting sails up, taking sails down, learning all the aspects of sailing, and in the evenings, well, we were studying. We took 3 exams. One was the coastal navigation, one was the VHF, and of course the other one was the day skipper course. We passed them all, we got pretty good marks, and we were pretty pleased with what we'd done. All we had to do now was get back, get everything packed, get all the provisions together, get down to Gocek and get on the boat.
So which book are you reading, Dee?
Oh, it's far too complicated. I can't even read it. Coastal navigation, there are far too many words in it. I mean, look, how am I supposed to read all of that? That's just ridiculous.
This is a course you're supposed to learn.
No, you're on the course. I'm just here for looking good.
So, Dee, what are we doing tonight?
Oh God, we've had a beer and I'm very tired. We've been out on the sea all day, so I'm a bit tired. And now he's going to make me go back and do knots. I don't want to.
Yes, but what are you actually trying to learn at the moment?
Me, nothing. I've had enough. Now I've got to do some knots, and I'm trying to learn about the points on the boat. And I can't remember any now because I've had a beer. So there you go. I'm going to be no use to anybody tomorrow. More to the point, what are you learning?
Me, well, not a lot at the moment.
Because I've got your book.
Yeah, because you've stolen my book.
Well, you asked me a question ages ago, about 3 hours ago, and I was trying to answer it for you, and I can't.
We still can't answer it. No, we're going to have to.
We probably can, but we're probably wrong.
as you can see, we've got an awful lot to get onto the boat, and the reason for that is because we're planning on something like a 2-week journey from Gocek back up to Didim. It's the first time we've actually sailed, so we are planning to do it over a period of time that suits ourselves. So, we made it down to Gocek.
Yeah,
We've finally found the boat in the hard standing.
that was fun. We went through, how many boats did we actually walk past?
We walked past our boat
We
actually.
walked past our boat first. In fact, it was probably one of the first ones we saw.
It was.
We
Actually,
walked
but we didn't see
straight
it.
past it, went right to the other end of the hard standing, and then thought, oh shit, what have they done with our boat? And then walked all the way back to actually find we walked past it at the beginning, so yeah. See our boat?
So do you think it'll be in the water in the morning?
Not in the morning, no. I think they've got a few jobs to do. They haven't put any sails on. They put the fenders on, so they're obviously assuming it's going somewhere. They've got some ropes on the back for tying up, but they haven't done everything that we kind of thought they'd have done yet. But it's only the 13th today. It's going in the water on the 14th tomorrow, and then hopefully ready for sailing on the 15th. So.
Weather permitting. Mind you, there is no wind on the 15th.
Yeah, that's a good point actually. So it might just be floating.
Well, it might be motoring a little bit, but never mind.
So yeah. What you doing?
I am relaxing with a glass of beer.
Where's your beer?
It's an effort.
Oh.
And nuts. It's good, haven't we?
So how was today for you?
Expensive.
Why?
Well, we kind of bought a lot today.
What did you buy?
We bought a bed set covering pillows and things, which very nice. We bought some coasters. We bought some cutlery. We bought some wine glasses, and we got, what else did we get?
Oh, tumblers that you can't put raki in. You must remember that.
We can't put raki in anything that's plastic.
No. You bought a float for the keys so that you don't drop them in the sea.
What are you trying to say?
Because Kevin's good at dropping keys and things. Yep, that's the one.
Definitely.
So yeah, so we've had a good day, haven't we?
We have had a good day today. Spent a lot of money, but it's been good.
Yeah, so now we're just celebrating with a beer. And we brought our friend.
Don't know what her name is, but
No idea of her name. But she's quite cute.
I think she's deaf as well, actually. Good morning, Gocek. Not really what we were hoping for. It's absolutely pouring down. Not a good day to put the boat back in.
Güzel. Sen de mi? Sen de mi oradasın?
Gördük.
Neyi gördün?
Nasıl vardı gezeceğimizden?
Ha,
Vallahi bak.
nasip de bu varmış ya.
Vallahi nasıl bilinmez yani.
Nasibin
Hmm.
Tam yol gidip giderim bir baktım bacaklarım da gitti böyle yukarıya. Ulan bu ne dedim ben? Ayı gibi bir şey var.
After 3 months on the hard standing, it was great to see the boat back in the water. It cost us €2,000 for the winterisation, but it was well worth it. The sails had been removed and cleaned, and the engine had been fully serviced. The rigging had been checked and adjusted, so she was now hopefully ready to set sail.
2 metre var daha bekle. Bırakma çok. Çok bıraktın. Çok bıraktın biraz al.
It's quiet, isn't it? It's quiet.
Al boşunu gel ya.
Wow.
Boşunu aldın eti ya. Bağladın mı? Tamam, fazla var. Ver abi. Tamam girer.
Because he tightened that. Once the sail was up, he actually tightened that.
Yeah.
So that is fed inside.
Yeah.
So he's actually feeding that through that mast.
Yani yok mu? Siz bilirsiniz. Denizciler biliyor bu işi. Tamam o zaman yani. Görüşürüz. Kolay gelsin sana.
Oh, this is Gocek Marina. Really pretty. And this is Kevin putting stuff in the trolley ready to go down to the boat. And we never thought we'd ever see ourselves do this. But there you go. We're done. Hurry up!
I hope we can drive a boat next to this.
It's a bit of a steep slope actually. Don't lose anything. Do you remember how much we paid for all of that? Nothing?
Professional.
Well, go on then, get it on board. Don't worry, we weren't actually going to take the suitcases on the boat and leave them on there. We're just going to empty them and put them back in the car. And the sun's coming out, which is brilliant because it's been absolutely chucking it down up until now. No, I'm just enjoying myself.
So tell us, Dee, what you're doing.
I'm trying to put everything away.
This is organised, actually. It doesn't look it.
It is actually.
It is very organised.
We've got I'm trying to put all the clothes away first and then all the food stuff in the correct place because we both need to do the food stuff, I think, and decide where it all goes. And we've got to go shopping yet to get the fresh food stuff and things like water and bottles and juice and stuff. So
There's a lot more to go on about yet. So it's not quite full yet then.